Hello, and welcome to another Danfoss Product Store tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate the saved cart function, which allows you to save items to your cart in case you would like to order those same items in the future. Let's dive in and see just how easy the Save Cart feature is to use. To begin, navigate to your home screen. Once you are there, search for a product and add it to your cart. You can add multiple products as well. Then, simply navigate to your cart. Once you have selected your items and have navigated to the cart, click on the button on the top right of the screen labeled Save Cart. You will be prompted to give your cart a name for future ordering. Type in your name and click on this Save Cart button. Your cart is now saved for future ordering. You can navigate to the My Account drop-down at the top of the page and click on the Save Carts button. You will then be directed to all of your saved carts and are moments away from ordering those items instantly. After you select the saved cart you wish to order from, you will be directed to the saved cart and must check the box titled Order Again. Then click on Add to Cart. You are now in your cart and are ready to place your order. You can always add more items to your cart if need be. Make sure all of the information you need to submit your order is filled in and click on Proceed to Order Summary. And there you go! Another easy tool to help optimize your experience in the Danfoss Product Store. We hope this demonstration of the Saved Cart feature was helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more Danfoss Product Store tutorials.